What's going on with you guys? It's your boy B the Marketing Dude, Brandon, aka B the Marketing Dude, whichever one. And on this video, I want to break down to you guys what affiliate marketing is and how you can use it to create an extra income or use it as an additional income to your business, right? And so before you're able to move forward with affiliate marketing, you got to know what it is, right? And so to explain it, short and simple, all affiliate marketing is somebody who has a product, right? So this is somebody that has a product, not you, that creates a program that pays commissions for that product, right? And so basically, they give you a unique website link that's connected only to you, right? You get that link, you promote it, and you get a commission, right? So once you get that link, what do you got to do? You build an audience and drive traffic, which some of you guys are already doing. If you already got a business model, right? You got to get traffic to make money, right? You got to get exposure. You got to get in front of new people. You got to get in front of old customers, right? And so basically affiliate marketing is just another company that has a product or service that creates a program, and they pay out commissions to you, the referrer, right? They pay commissions to you just to share their product or service, right? And so you can do this with anything, right? So so they got their product, boom, they give you a unique link, and most affiliate programs are free. Let me remind you guys that. Best Buy has an affiliate program. Walmart has an affiliate program. We all know Amazon has an affiliate program, right? And so if you already have a business and you're not utilizing affiliate marketing, you're missing money off bat, especially if you're creating content online or posting ads online, right? You should be thinking, what all is my perfect avatar, my perfect customer, the perfect fan in my audience? What are they buying? What are they thinking? You should always be thinking that, right? If you're talking about technology in your videos, cameras and stuff like that, it makes no sense for you not to get paid a commission, right, by recommending them to buy those cameras on Amazon. It makes no sense. If you're a photographer and you are good at what you do, and every now and again you like to share your experience of how you create, right, it makes no sense for you not to profit from your skills. So affiliate marketing, to be successful, you got to find a good product or service. So I put service too, right? Get set up with it so you can earn commissions, get qualified. You got to build an audience, right? You got to engage that audience, right? To get them on an email list or get them to buy. And then you sell it to the audience, right? And so the thing that I like about affiliate marketing versus other business models is, in most cases, most affiliate programs, especially online. So let's say if you were, I'm gonna give you an example, right? I'm gonna give you a broad example for a specific niche. Let's say you just wanted to get started with affiliate marketing. Your interest, you're mostly interested in basketball. You watch a lot of college basketball, you watch NBA, right? And so as far as when it comes down to you wanting to create content, build an audience and post ads or whatever it may be, most of the content that you come across is basketball content, right? So in your situation, the best bet for you to do would be to find an affiliate program related to the basketball niche, right? Go to clickbank.com and go to the marketplace. It's absolutely free to sign up for a ClickBank account. There's tons of affiliate products and services that you can start promoting today and get paid, right? But they have to align with your audience and with you. Because if they don't, you're gonna post ads, you're gonna put content out there, and your content is gonna flop because it didn't come from a good headspace, right? So find something that you're interested in. If you're interested in health and fitness, find something that resonates with you. Maybe even buy it to see if you would want to refer it to people, right? Go to clickbank.com. So, boom. So let's say basketball niche, right? I go to clickbank.com. I say, you know what? I made a decision. I'm going to create a basketball niche Instagram account. I'm only going to post basketball content of dunks and crossovers, right? And my ClickBank product is going to be Jump Higher, right? Because there is programs like that, right? That actually have coaches that are real life coaches that created digital products, that know what they're doing, that sell their digital products and let affiliates sell them as well, right? So I say, boom, I would go to jumphigher.com or whatever. I'll find Jump Higher on ClickBank, or just find whatever basketball niche type things they have on ClickBank. But we're going to use Jump Higher as the product. I get my affiliate link, www.jumphigher.com/Brandon, be the marketing dude. I build that audience on Instagram, right? Whether it be from running ads, whether it be from me reaching out, paying for shout outs, right? Reaching out to big, people and niches that are in the basketball niche, or sharing their content and somehow getting that audience to build, engaging that audience, and then in my content, creating a call to action that if you are a hooper and you want to increase your jumping abilities, my phone started tripping. If you want to increase your jumping ability, go to the link in my bio and check out this training, or check out, or whatever, right? Create a call to action, a CTA, and boom, the system's gonna do the rest of the work for you. Now, there's a couple of other things that you would want to do to make sure that this works good and you grow and get momentum instead of commissions here, commission there. You want it to get to a point where you're getting commission. Like you waking up, pulling out your phone, and you're like, oh shit, you got paid last night again, right? So that's what you want, right? So there's other things that you can do, but I just wanted to paint a picture for you. So that being said, bro, that's affiliate marketing. That's easy. I'm actually working with a CPA/affiliate marketing program right now that's free to join and shows you how to set all of this up so you can earn while you learn, because they actually already have it set up for you, right? So you don't have to create stuff. All you got to do is come in and learn where to post the ads, learn what to say, and we teach you how to do those things. But that being said, you can go to www.freedomwithbrandon.com to check out that affiliate marketing program. But that being said, I hope y'all got value from this video. If you don't have a business already, start an affiliate marketing business. It's easy and it doesn't cost a lot of money to start. Why would you choose to just live off of one income? Why not have multiple incomes? So, anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video.